You're never gonna take it, are you? Your finger isn't even on the button. I'm gonna take this chair back, unless you're like attached to it. What the hell? Stop! Leave me alone. Leave me alone. No. Stay away from me and my baby. Stay away. Stay away. That's all. Okay, no more funny stuff. Oh God. Damn! Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Oh, this thing barely fits through the door. No. Go away.